we are replacing our winch line on our Polaris 570. So the first step is to remove the winch plate.
Or is it? Dog is possessed today, I swear.
I know he is.
Oh, yeah. Get him. Why are you so aggressive today?
So next step is just to pull out the entire winch line. We've been using the nylon one. Okay, so after we took the winch line, the old winch line off, we actually locked the spool, and then we fastened the new winch line on to the spool, and then we rotated it over top of the spool, kind of like how we like our toilet paper rolls.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the old hook and the stopper, so we're just gonna get this off. Jeez.
What's the ETA on this?
Well, it is taking a bit of time.
Holy crap. Get your big nose out of my camera. I'm gonna get you. So here we are in hour number 4. I'm taking the stopper off. Listen.
The nuts are just kind of spinning, so I'm trying to...
No, I got the pliers.
Well, I got it. It just is a little bit.
So we could have done it the smart way and connected it through this winch kit cap in the opposite direction. But true to form, we'll do it the hard way. This is why you don't do these projects after you've had a few beers, guys. All right.
Okay.
Yep.
Is that the top?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, so now we're putting the winch face back on. What's taking you so long?
Jeez.
You have the right tool?
Always.
Oh, you don't have the battery. So here's the last winch line, and it's quite small, which is probably why we have to replace these every year. So we use this for the plow, and it just kind of puts a lot of pressure on it, pulls it and frays it. And the new line, let me compare them so you can see the difference between the sizes, or maybe you can, maybe you can't. So we'll see. We're a little concerned that this is actually not going to reel in because it's so much thicker, but here we go.
Kind of work back and forth so it's going on the spool evenly.
Work back and forth with it. Why is it making that sound?
Okay, so you're going to go right over,
Yeah.
like extreme angles.
Extreme angles. Okay.
So it's wrapping right to the edge, right?
Okay. So our fear was correct, and it was too much. So we had to undo it all and cut a piece off. We spared you the repeat. So here's the new line, and we're going to reel it in now. Once we lock it.
Everything I got too big.
So you're gonna have to bend it. Oh, there you go.
Just reassembling the stopper.
I'm just gonna tighten the one side down first. All right, stopper's on.
All right, she's ready to go for winter. We got the tracks on and the winch line replaced.
There's the winch line, and that's how it connects to your plow. And it did a lot of work today.